Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your autosave settings within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off, or you may click on Settings to modify your changes. Now from the Settings page, make sure that you are within the General tab. And now within the General section, you will see the Autosave option. For various different game modes, you have the Campaign Autosave, the Quick Start Autosave, the Single Player Autosave, as well as the Multiplayer Lobby Autosave option. As it is described by the title, each of these acts as autosave for the different game modes. If you wish to enable the autosave, make sure that all of these are turned on, so that you don't have to manually save your game. Click on Accept, and now you can go back to your game to continue playing. If you wish to change this setting in the future, just go back to the Settings page. And then once again from the General tab, you can disable or deactivate the autosave option. By default, Campaign Autosave is turned on, but you can also enable Quick Start Autosave so that your game will be loaded from wherever the last autosave point was made. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your autosave settings on the Heroes of Might and Magic Olden Era game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.